അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇവിടെ വരണമെങ്കിൽ ഫ്രീ ആയിട്ട് ബസ് സർവീസ് ഉണ്ട്. താഴെ വന്ന് ഇറങ്ങിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പക്ഷേ ഫ്രീ അല്ല എൻട്രി 100 രൂപയാണ്. 100 രൂപ എൻട്രി ഫീസ് കൊടുത്ത് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ബാഡ്ജ് തരും. ആ ബാഡ്ജ് കെട്ടിയിട്ട് വേണം നമുക്ക് അകത്തോട്ട് പോകാൻ. അപ്പോൾ അകത്തെ കാഴ്ചകൾ കാണാം. This is for drinking beer.
We have beer here. You buy a beer and put it inside there.
How is the taste of beer?
Please try it. I've also not tried this morning.
Which one is good? Rice beer?
We have 4, so you can check it out. These are samples, so you can try it.
Oh, for sample, please give it a try. From here, it's non-veg. From here, it's all veg.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is rice beer, right?
Yeah, rice. Yeah, no, this is banana.
This is banana beer?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we have millet, we got tapioca,
Okay.
we got usual, the rice.
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Because our schedule is tight and we enjoy it. Yeah. I'm so excited. These are enjoying eating.
Itu tuh, sama kamera yang telah saya kuasai dia.
Conflict between the two coalitions.
Up next, we will have the formal culture.
Kỳ thư công bộ từ sau mãi sĩ tên mong cơ năng anh mỗi xin khi mọi dòng gì về phòng kẻ luôn.
In the olden days, Lokjam plays a significant role in the Yikyu community. During their times, truthfulness and considered it as an epitome of a monument of warfare. During the preparation of the Lokjam in the deep jungle, it is first the leader who makes a guard mark on the selected tree trunk, and it is believed that if fresh leaves falls, it indicates longevity and prosperity, and if a dry leaf falls, it indicates misfortune to the community.
哎，你要这种。哎。